G'day, if you're like me and you've updated to OneUI 6.1 and you want to set per app audio, you can't quite do that to the extent that I would like, but you can do that to a ridiculous level of micromanaging, which is not really what I wanted to do, but this seems to be the way we're going to have to do it. So for example, we've got here this mad lad called robotsam on Reddit. He gave us the information, or gave me the information to forward on to you guys. So good job, robotsam. If we go into settings, notifications, advanced settings, and then turn on manage notification categories for each app. Turn that one to on, and then from there, if we go back to apps, so settings, then apps, now. From here, we can set the custom tones that we want. So I'm just going to try and find something that doesn't come up with an account name or my name. Well, let's say here, this one here, CDS Vic South. If I go into that and then go notifications and enable them, let's say this is Facebook, for example. If I go notification categories, nope, bad example. Just give me a minute. I'll just go into Facebook. We'll cover up my details. And if I go down into notifications, and then we've got notification categories. If I tap on that, and I'll just move that a bit out of space so you can't see my account. But each of these, we can go through, tap on it, and then we can go sound, and you can change the sound to whatever you like. So as I said, it's a bit over ambitious, like it's each individual category. I don't want that. I just want all Facebook to sound the same. I want all text messages to sound the same. But apparently it's every little micro category. So you do have to go into settings, apps, notifications, and then from there we got notification categories. At least that's one way you can potentially do custom notification tones on your Samsung Galaxy device. I hope that helps, and I'll see you later. Bye.